In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make style changes on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Pages panel. This is your control center where you manage all the different pages on your website. Go ahead and click on any page you want to begin editing. Don't worry, you'll be able to apply changes across the site later on. Now take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a little paintbrush icon up there. Clicking this icon will open up the Site Styles panel, which is where the magic happens. This panel gives you access to a variety of options for customizing the look and feel of your site. Within the Site Styles panel, you can edit global styles for elements like fonts, colors, and buttons. These changes will apply across your entire site, ensuring a consistent look throughout. It's a great way to give your site a uniform style without having to manually update each page. If you're looking for an overall design refresh, you might want to consider selecting a new theme or preset pack. Squarespace offers different styles that can quickly change the overall aesthetic of your website, providing a fresh look with just a few clicks. If you wish to go beyond global changes and make adjustments to specific areas, you can do section-specific style changes. Hover over the section you wish to edit, and you'll see the Edit section option appear. This feature allows for finer control and lets you tailor each section on your page according to your liking. Adjusting a section involves changing its spacing and padding. These options help you play around with how tightly or loosely your content is framed within each section, and it's a small adjustment that can make a big difference in the overall flow and readability of your content. Next, move over to the Background tab if you want to change the background color or add a background image or video. This is where you can really let your creativity shine by adding unique elements that grab attention and elevate the visual appeal of your site. To add further personal touches, head over to the Colors tab. Here you can apply a different color theme to specific sections, allowing for dynamic variations in your site's design while still maintaining coherence with your overall style. After you've made all your desired changes, don't forget to click Save. This ensures all your style adjustments are applied and visible to any visitors to your site. By following these steps, you're well on your way to crafting a website that not only looks great but also reflects your unique style and vision. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.